Welcome back, fans, to another review here on Monster Truck Classics with the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Oversized, the 1/24th scale Bigfoot edition, new for 2023. And we have here on the card, front of the card, 4x4x4, Bigfoot, the Hot Wheels, and it says Firestone. The body is metal, and the truck is laying in there in the cardboard dirt, and it also has Hot Wheels, if you can see that on the bottom there underneath Bigfoot. Let me go ahead and bring this up a little bit closer. I am not going to take it out of the box. So very nicely done by Hot Wheels. Again, on the back, here are the other trucks in this series, so to speak. There you have it. And Bigfoot, same thing on the front and everything. Let's go ahead, turn it this way so you can see the truck, tailgate, and up top, and the roof. Unlike the Spin Master Monster Jam 1/24th scale trucks now that are not coming with a bubble, Hot Wheels is still coming out with a bubble. So it's fully encased in this plastic bubble, and up top you can see it does say Hot Wheels Monster Trucks up top. I believe that's like something new for 2023. Maybe they've done it last year. I'm not sure, because I honestly don't buy 1/24th scale trucks unless I really enjoy the ones that come out like a Bigfoot. So it does have Hot Wheels on the back of the cardboard as well, in the back. You probably have seen a lot of these. These are the 1/64th scale of it. So you got the smaller version and the bigger version. So thank you for tuning in.